what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, we are in the middle of Texas right now. We're in Midland, literally in the middle of Texas, called Midland, Texas. We're here stopping at a Chick-fil-A because we're hungry. And well, this vlog, guys, we're going to Atlanta. We're going to Atlanta. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm excited. Yeah. I want to see it's a good show.
We got the Navy crack and OBS. Hola, verga, yes, sir.
And we have Quejo.
And Quejo's with us. How you feeling, Quejo? He's like, where are we?
Don't worry, we're brought to the right place.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're about to get some Chick-fil-A. What is that over there? Oh, Whataburger? What was that?
Hell no.
Never had that shit.
You like it, Go?
Whataburger? Yeah.
It's alright.
Verga, ¿qué traes, capa? ¿Qué?
Got bullets in there.
Oh, shit.
Ready, pa? Texas, we're in Texas.
Yeah, guys. What are you gonna get, Jose?
Salad low-key sounded fire.
Salad?
I'm gonna get a salad. I'm gonna get a salad.
They brought up a salad earlier, and now that shit sounds fire.
I'm gonna get a Cobb salad. Just because I can't eat heavy right now, guys. The whole way out here, I was sick. I threw up like 5 times. It's all good. We're good now. Verga, somebody está ticking. But yeah, bro. Alright, guys. What was your meal? Chilling?
That shit was fire and cheaper.
Yeah? Than California?
Probably like almost $5 cheaper.
That's right. My salad was $9. $9. Yeah, guys, let's roll out of here. We got 15 hours to go.
What about go do, bro? Where we at? We are in Dallas, right? Dallas. ¿Was Dallas o qué? Dallas. Dallas, nalga, pa. Yoshi.
Check it out, guys. We're in the middle of Montgomery right now, man.
Montgomery.
Yeah.
Bro.
We're still in Dallas.
We're still in Dallas.
Yeah. Literally just right outside the city. We're about 10 hours away, guys. We gotta get to going. But we're gonna take a little break right now. Chill. I still got pilas, bro. I don't think I'm gonna let Flaco drive yet. Because he's still like barely.
He's been sleeping for the past 5 hours.
He's loading though. He's loading. Yeah, whenever I get tired, yeah, Flaco sub in. Because I'd rather use his energy because I got pilas.
You got pilas.
Pónganse las pilas porque están valiendo verga.
I got pilas. So.
You know, huh?
Yeah. What are you about to do right now?
Me?
Let's go to Buc-ee's, guys. Wait, he's staying in there?
Yeah.
You okay? Need help?
Estoy descansando.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Guys, remember. Pilas, ponte pilas. Por eso trae pilas el Yosh. Anda bien.
No way.
No se te antoja.
Salad. Maybe some fruit. Damn, look at this shit. Looks pretty gas though.
¿Qué rollo? ¿Qué está pasando?
¿Qué rollo, compa? Guys, we just made it to Atlanta. How do you feel, Cajo?
Badass, pa, badass.
Yeah.
We here.
How do you feel?
I don't know, I feel like a YN right now.
Yeah?
I just feel like I enter another portal.
Yeah.
I don't know how I
Since
feel.
when? Since like Louisiana?
Pasaste to Louisiana bien tarde, low-key, at night.
Yeah, we did.
Era madrugada, I think Guys, we've been driving non-stop actually. We only stopped to pump gas and to eat pretty much, huh?
Yeah, we started driving Wednesday at night, like at 10, huh?
Yeah, and to use the restroom because I have some friends who are cagones, so.
Who might that be? Or won't point any fingers.
Bro.
Huh?
Bro. You guys don't shit? What the fuck? You guys are like Barbies and shit.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
We ship flowers, don't we?
Yeah, only flowers.
That fool say he's not at home, he can't shit.
I'm not at home, I can't do that shit.
You be holding your shit for 3 days?
I can't. If I'm not home, I can't.
Nah, come on, bro.
Or someone comfortable.
Has to be somewhere comfortable.
Just the toilet there. Let's go to Starbucks. Oh, oh shit. Nice.
Sheesh, a track hog. Hell nah. 80% APR. That's the best percentage I think.
80%. That's good.
That's what they gave me. JP Morgan gave me like a 23%. I was like, fuck it for Jordan.
That's good.
Bro,
For Jordan.
23%.
That's a good number.
23,
That's a
Michael
lucky
Jordan. I gotta,
Michael Jordan.
I gotta do it because he's legendary.
You got.
Guys, check it out. We're pulling up. This thing is huge, huh, guys? Damn.
No, man, parece stadium esto, pretty much, you know?
Grande.
I think it's
What are
bigger
we
than the
going through?
stadium.
Go straight.
Right here, look, I'm like you with your glasses.
And,
Yeah.
you can't bring the trailer in this year. Y'all
Okay.
gotta park it over there to the right.
Okay.
And is this a show truck too or
No.
So no show trucks could go in. I mean, no non-show trucks could go in. So you can unload the show trucks either in there or over there if you don't want no dust to get in it.
Okay.
And once you unload them, then you can park them in there, whichever one's easier for you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bro, that wheel was so close.
Bro, if that guy wasn't there, I would have scratched the whole
I
rim.
think on the when
The
we
way
go back,
we'll put it in the back,
put it
huh?
in the back, yeah. That's how I put the yours on my trailer.
Yeah? It was white as fuck, huh?
It was wider than that way.
Yeah. So right now, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave the trailer parked over there, unhook it, and take these 3 trucks inside because they're full of merch and stuff. So we gotta go inside. Acosta said that our tickets should be in the front, where the vendor line is. I don't know where the vendor line is. Probably right there. Well, that's the show truck line. I don't know. He said on the left. I will find out.
Somewhere out there.
Here we go. It mostly takes the aluminum one.
What are you doing there, Yoshi?
So don't steal them. So we're gonna leave the trailer here for like 2 days or 2 nights. Today and tomorrow. Nah, not tomorrow night. Depending what time the pachanga ends, we'll probably load up tomorrow night. Huh? Thank you. Alright guys, we're in.
The dog's over this.
You're injured enough to step out real quick.
Yeah.
We're just looking for weapons and any alcohol. You guys can have alcohol as long as it's in a bottle or a can.
Turn it off when we're ready.
Can we close it? Yoshi.
We're out here, guys. We're about to get the tickets. Oh, should we go over there? Oh, wait, or no?
Well, let's wait for it to finish. Yeah, Yoshi. Those dogs need some training.
A little bit.
This stadium's bigger than yeah, Banda's the one they do in
Might be, bro.
Texas Motor Speedway, right? That's what it's called.
It's pretty big, bro.
Yeah?
You've been here before, you said, right?
Yeah. You haven't been here?
No, it's our first time.
Oh shit.
So we're about to find out. See how it looks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yep, let's get it. Let's go.
Oh. Dale. Scared of me. Why, but do I?
Go straight. package?
Yeah.
I put it over there. Everybody's with you?
Yeah, the white truck.
That fool looks like a cop from London way with that shit. I go with you.
Oh, yeah. I already left. You see, there's no service already in the...
There's no service? Grave, pa.
Yeah, Wi-Fi though, morning.
Oh, yeah. What you got?
Oh my God.
Bless you, pa. Bless you. Bless you, pa.
Thank you.
You probably smell more than those dogs, bro.
They might have got the wrong person, huh? My bad.
You put me in the driver's seat wing.
Huh?
You put me in the driver's seat. The immigrant wing.
Come on, pa.
Alright, we got package secured. It said the sticker's for the vendor vehicle. But
There you
yeah,
go.
here.
It's clean.
Looks like a ZA package. Zaza.
Pasando verdes es porque el trabajo se mueve. Todo que el barco me puedan matar. De mi vida soy el propio capitán. Donde el patrón 08 me mandó a hablar y empecé desde cero, pero fui a escalar. El talento y la capacidad y también para el jefe toda mi lealtad. Agradecido con presa, siempre voy a estar el apoyo y confianza que me fue a brindar. Banderas desde jalan, me jalan. Esos son los de la nueva era, mi viejo. Al puro lento.
Fineline?
Yeah.
Y es sober, ¿va? ¿Tienes el sticker? ¿No tienes el otro?
These?
Sí. Ese es gold, ¿no?
Yeah.
Ok, vas a ir aquí y te vas a ir para acá, a la izquierda.
Alright. That's up to the white truck that are with me.
The red one and the white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
La corro allá afuera. Vas para allá, mi homie la corro para allá. Y sus compas se fue. Silver. No offense to everybody that sells in silver, but what the fuck? Come on, pa. Only concern is we can't detail these shits or what?
You can watch them, pa.
We have
American Forces?
we have detailing products.
You gotta put them to work.
I'm tire shine too. What's up, G? Fineline? It was over here, look.
Yeah. Over here.
Yeah.
So busted right and like you're next to Pro Billet. So Pro Billet's already kind of set up. And
Okay.
you already get your stuff.
All right. Thank you.
I put the stickers on.
Yeah.
And there's the car behind you.
All right, guys. Now, shout out to the homies from Pro Billet Wheels. They're actually coming from LA as well.
Oh, they're from LA?
From Norwalk.
Oh, shit.
Norwalk. Yeah, or Norwalk. I don't know from where. Oh, there's them right there. Oh, we're right here. Oh, that's pretty dope.
Yo, try. You move the track or what?
Yeah. I'll put it. Oh. Good morning, chat. Show day. Show day, guys.
Todas las ganas, ¿no?
Huh?
Todas las ganas.
Yeah, todas las ganas. Look at my boy. Yeah, guys. Bro, you can't come in. Guys, we're at a Dwarf House, Chick-fil-A. Never seen this in my life. Never thought I'd see it. I never knew it existed. Let me take a picture real quick. Hey, record a story? Here, record a story real quick. Like, guys, it's show day. Who's ready? We gotta get some breakfast. Pilas. Are you ready? Guys, check it out. We made it out here to Atlanta Truck Invasion. So far, I like this show. Everything's been smooth so far. So far, so good. Good review. 10 out of 10 so far. Let's see if the score goes down as we go. What do you think so far?
It's good. There's a lot of people actually outside waiting. So.
Oh, there is. I think there's like about more than 500, huh? Easy?
Yeah, easy more than 500.
More than 500 trucks outside easily. But yes, guys. Also, good news today. Well, no, yesterday night. We started the new giveaway, which we're holding the giveaway shirt right now. It's all fucking full of lint. But make sure you guys go get yours at finelineperformance.net. We're running 5 times entries this whole weekend. So, Jose, you think we could cook this by tomorrow, this video?
Yeah, we'll cook it by tomorrow.
So it should be up.
My boy got it.
So we'll have this video up by tomorrow morning. So, no, not tomorrow morning, sorry. By tomorrow. Sometime tomorrow.
Sometime tomorrow. We got a long road trip ahead.
Yeah, so there's a lot of free time, pa.
A lot of free time.
So, y'all stay tuned, chat. And we'll shop finelineperformance.net. Let's go see what this show has in store for us. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here already set up in Atlanta Truck Invasion. How you feeling, bro?
This show is badass, guys.
Yep.
A lot of people
actually.
Yeah, a lot of people are supporting you guys too, bro.
Yeah, big shout out
crazy.
to everybody that's showing support out here in Atlanta, guys. There's a lot of support out here, which is badass, you know. But yeah, we're out here, guys.
Ahora traen un tren muy chiquito, que me lo ponen tren chingón.
Bandas.
Allá, en la esquina.
Estamos
Estamos medio lejos, pero ahorita vamos a hacer usted para que se vean todo el pinche.
La banda.
Apenas abrieron, creo que abrieron a las 11.
Yeah.
They're doing amazing, bro. Come on, padre. We got the best salesman in the building. Quejo. Ah, Quejo.
How much you sell, Quejo?
Oh, bro, I saw like about $100 worth of stuff.
Quejo? That's an assistant for Quejo.
Am I in the payroll already?
Payroll.
Hey, Joshi, am I in the payroll?
Yeah.
You guys don't know, but I've been in the payroll since like January.
That's true. You've been in there. He moves our
I've been in there.
He moves our the mercancía.
You guys want to know what I do for Fineline?
What do you do?
Hey! We'll keep that in a private vlog, guys.
You guys want to keep seeing badass bills, right?
Yeah, say it.
Where we at, Yoshi? Where we at?
Still here in Atlanta. We're gonna go get some food from home.
Yeah, low-key is really hot, guys. But there's hella people. I think I heard there's like 30,000 people showing up.
Yeah, it's like, everybody came for the concert, you know? And
Yeah.
for the church, but
Yeah, like literally, there's like a lot of people watch.
that's people. Some of those people barely coming in. Some.
Yeah. Of course, a lot of people are here for the concert, but they're also showing a lot of support.
Yeah, hell yeah. Shout out to everybody showing support, you know? Okay.
What about for you, Danny? They're showing support?
Yeah, a bunch of people.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody.
What about you guys too? You guys gotta support the boys right there. Give that like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Beto! We gotta build one of those.
The S2K is getting LS swap better. We're trying to put that shit in the pit.
With the supercharge?
Huh?
With the supercharger?
Yeah, of course. S2K, right-hand drive, LS swap with a Hellcat blower.
Chaka.
I mean, we could just do a turbo kit on the F-Series motor, but oh, you hear that shit? Imagine off a little car.
I like the backfire. You hear it?
I don't know. I think we might have to switch directions. Maybe for bandas, maybe a little turbo for the F-Series.
Yeah.
You gotta get a different differential for the car. People say, you guys let us know down in the comments. People say that the Cobra differential from the older Mustangs work good on those cars. They burn out macizo. So you guys let us know if we're right or if they're right or wrong. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun with that car. We also need to revive Betsy because Betsy has been on.
Hey, let me buy Pepsi from you.
Oh, sentimental.
Oh.
We got her for 500 bucks.
I'll give you 500 bucks right now. I'll give you 700. I'll give you 700.
¿Todos tienen hambre?
Pues no lo miras qué size. Son de mi size todos. We're cooked, Josh. I still had that sandwich from yesterday in the truck. Can I get a ride?
Tired. What's up?
Guys, check it out. Costa just dropped off something.
Hey, that's a Shaka.
Sheesh! First place! Sheesh! First place! Hell no!
Estresado, man. This was a whole estresado.
Yeah, I gotta go get more. My bad. Another trophy, another trophy.
That's just Shaka.
Oh shit. Oh, y'all gotta go stick it off.
Oh, nah. Tell him to swap.
No?
Swap. Scratch.
Oh, no.
Nah, tell him.
Damn. I'm fucking sick. No, no one.
Well, what is this? Top 100 or top something?
I don't know. Check out for sale. Check out for sale.
Whatever you want. You want him?
Which is that? Oh, this one's $40.
Yeah, this is Shaka.
That's right. Yeah, we do.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video. It's pretty much the whole Atlanta show of us driving here, going to the show, loading up, off-roading. What's up, man? Hey. Cap, guys. I was rating it at the beginning of the show, how smooth everything went. I give this show a 9.
And it was all last minute too, huh?
It was, bro. We weren't even gonna come here. But big shout out to everybody who showed support. Big shout out to Sal. Big shout out to Acosta for showing love and hooking us up with the spots. You know, or you already know. But yeah, guys, we're heading over to Houston right now, so that's gonna be a separate vlog. We're gonna be going over to Houston and see what we do tomorrow. We're gonna get content tomorrow and then head over back to LA tomorrow night. So we're gonna get there today morning, si Dios quiere, and then we're gonna shower, rest, take a nap, and then leave in the night, but get content during the day. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. Let's rock.